Hello everyone. Now we are going to check the PIR sensor working. I just show you how it is working. We made this simple circuit with the buzzer also. I'm just skipping this loading. Here we are. I have just simply made this circuit. I have used some PIR sensor with a piezoelectric buzzer, and to indicate digitally, I have used an LED. Uh, so uh, Here's the working. This is the ground pin and this is the power pin of this PIR sensor. Ground is connected to the same, all ground are mutually connected to this pin, and here's the power pin which is connected to the 5 volts of this Arduino output, and here's the buzzer pin is connected with digital pin 8, and LED is connected to digital pin D2, and PIR sensor connected to digital pin D7. So now, these are all the connections of the circuit, and now let's just check the values of this pin. I have just taken pin mode 8. Sorry, just we have assigned the pin mode 8 pin and 8th pin as output for this uh, piezoelectric sensor buzzer, also called buzzer, and this 7th pin as input because we are taking the input from this PIR sensor, and second pin digital pin D2 as an output for the LED, whereas this is the LED. To control the LED, we are using this pin 2 as an output. Similarly, I have initialized a variable and I have taken the value from the PIR sensor, and I have to pull the value is 7 if and it is stored in the variable val. If any motion is detected by this sensor, it will give the value as high. If it is the sensor, the value is high, then uh, these two pins will trigger as high. Which were two pins? 8th pin and 2 pin, which is connected to this buzzer and this LED with a delay of 100 milliseconds. And if value is not high, then else condition will run, which means both are in low state. That's it for the code, and just show you the simulation part where I have done. Just hiding this. It still it got initialized. For better view, I have taken this here. Uh, Clicked on the PIR sensor. This is an object where it detects this object PIR sensor. This is the range of the PIR sensor. If I have taken this object outside this range, PIR sensor cannot detect this object, and that's why LED is turned off and the buzzer is turned off. When I have taken this object to the range of where PIR sensor can detect it, the buzzer turns on and LED also turns on. But it is a motion sensor, so if it is only when the it detects only when the motion is applied in the range of the PIR sensor. This is the range of the PIR sensor where it can detect. It cannot detect the outside the range of this motion outside this range of the PIR sensor. When the motion comes in that range, it will trigger as 1. So LED turns on buzzer, and when I release this object and it got stable at one place, so motion doesn't detect it by the PIR sensor. So LED and all buzzer also get stopped and got in that same position. This is how it's working. A PIR sensor values providing and all. Thank you.